Hi and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today we're looking at this awesome BMW S1000R. It's actually a derivative or a naked version of the really popular super sport machine, the S1000RR, with a slightly detuned engine. Don't let that put you off. 160 brake horsepower in a naked bike is absolutely bonkers. It's a weapon, this bike. This particular one is a 2014 bike. It's covered just over 11,000 miles. It's in really good condition. And it's an absolutely fantastic bike. Obviously very powerful, very fast bike, goes without saying, but it's loaded with spec, it's loaded with electronics, and actually it's really rideable despite the sort of massive amount of horsepower. So I'm going to give you a walk around it and try and do the bike justice. So massive 320mm twin discs on the front with 4-pot radially mounted Brembo calipers, loads of stopping power, lightweight wheels as you can see, gold upside down forks just finish off the front end, and this bike has also been fitted as you can see with some braided lines as well. Bike does have ABS as is commonplace now, and it's got Michelin Pilot Road 5 tyres on which look quite recent and are in great condition with loads of life left in them. Forks are in good condition, there's no signs of leakages or anything like that. Both radiators, the radiator and oil cooler, have had guards put over them, which is a good modification on a naked bike. It just stops stones and stuff like that penetrating the coolers. The bike's largely in standard condition. It's got this really signature front end with the offset spot headlight on there. It's got a little fly screen on the front, and as you can see, it's also got some adjustable aftermarket levers. Bodywork on the bike's in fantastic condition. It's finished in this gloss red in the R colour scheme, offset with a little bit of titanium silver on there as well. Still got the standard exhaust on it, all in really good original condition. It's not been messed around with this bike, which is a good thing, trust me. It's got the orangey paddock stand lifters there, and as I pan up you'll see it's got an aftermarket tail tidy of some kind as well. Really nice, clean, original bike this. So as I was saying, you've got this kind of offset spotlight. It's a bit of a Marmite front end, but it definitely grows on you. And you certainly don't see too many of these about. On this side, condition-wise, it's very much the same. Very good condition. No scratches, scuffs, dings, or anything like that at all. The bike's been well loved, well cared for. Looks like we've had recent chain and sprockets, as you can see from the gold upgrade there. And again, you can see the Michelin rear tyre and the paddock stand lifters as well. If you're ultra observant, you might have noticed that this bike comes with a quick shifter and it comes with electronic suspension as well. And for those of you who are ultra observant, you might have noticed just underneath the headlight, around about here, is the steering dampener as well, which of course it does need because it's a very flighty bike. Bike comes with 2 keys, loads and loads of service history, as you'd hope for. So one of the things about this bike is all the electronics. So as I said, it's got ABS. Just down here, you'll see the controls for the electronic suspension, the ABS. There's various power modes and riding modes that you can select on the bike to change the way that the bike rides and handles. Obviously, you've got a fuel gauge, which is quite uncommon now. You've got your riding mode, your speed, gear indicator. You can see the mileage there, 11,271 miles. And then obviously you've got your rev counter and shift light here as well. Just give the bike a start up for you. It's a really nice sounding bike as standard actually. It's got quite a throaty induction sound to it, so no need really to put aftermarket exhaust on it, but if you did want to put an aftermarket exhaust on it, you'd like us to quote you, we can do that. We do offer some discount on purchase and fitted prices as well. All our bikes come with a 3-month warranty. That includes free roadside assistance, Comes with free delivery as well for the time being, so try and take advantage that way still can. And yeah, we offer finance and part exchange. So if any of that is of appeal to you and you want to give us a shout and you want to reach out to us, you can do so via Facebook. We've got WhatsApp, we've got live chat on the website and on Auto Trader. And of course, you can either pop into the showroom or give us a call and have a chat. That's it for me for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.